Dear students, I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Dear students, today I would talk about history, chapter 1, the French Revolution. In this chapter, in previous section, we discussed about the becoming of France a republic and declaration of rights of men. Dear students, at that time, most of the people could not read and write. That's why they could not understand the declaration of rights easily. So, the painters Le Barbieri used some symbols to convey the rights, declaration of rights of men among the people. About these symbols we will discuss today. First of all, you can see in your text the broken chain. Broken chain was used as to convey the people about liberty. It means the broken chain is the symbol of liberty. Similarly, the bundle of rods or faces, one rod can be easily broken. One rod can be easily broken. In Upanishad or in our Upanishad, a story has also been told about unity. Once upon a time, there was a man who had 4 sons. All were quarreling to each other. All were fighting to each other. That's why one day he called them all to him and gave one stick to each and told to break up the each stick. Each son broke down the stick easily. Then he gave a bundle of 4 rods and gave to break to each son, but each son failed to break down, to break the bundle of sticks. One by one was given that bundle. All failed to break the bundle. That's why here the bundle of rods symbolizes the unity. It means unity is the strength of a nation. Unity is the strength of society. Next, the eye within a triangle, radiating light, the all seeing eye stands for knowledge. It means eyes between a triangle is symbol of knowledge. It means without knowledge, a nation cannot be developed. For the development of a nation, holding knowledge is essential. That's why students, eye in a triangle is a symbol of knowledge. Scepter, symbol of royal power. Scepter means in Hindi Mugdal. That this sculpture was common for the wrestler in our locality. They hanging to make his physique strong. That's why this sculpture is symbol of royal power or despotic power. A snake biting its tail to form a ring, symbol of eternity. A ring has the beginning nor end. It means a snake biting its tail, making a ring, is a symbol of eternity. Red Phrygian cap, as we will learn in next section, that members of the Jacobin clubs used wearing red cap, which was symbol of worn by a slave upon becoming free. It means red cap was symbol of freedom. Blue, white and red, the national colors of France. It means red, white, blue, white and red color is the national color of France. It means the national flag is colored in blue, white and red in France. Next, the winged omen, personification of law. It means law has an imaginary power, and this winged omen or fairy in Indian mythology always helps to those who are helpless. That's why the common people were helpless before French Revolution in France. So that's why this fairy or winged omen was symbolized as the law, which made or which treated all the people equally. It means the all men are equal before the law.